This is the muscular system. It is made up of over 600 muscles that are composed of strong, soft tissue. As you can see in this illustration, the muscular system covers the entire skeletal system. Muscles are attached to bones by strong connective tissue called tendons. There are two groups of muscles. Voluntary muscles are muscles we can control. They allow us to stand up, sit down, walk, run, and jump. They are muscles that are connected to bones and allow us to move those bones through conscious thought. The other group of muscle is called involuntary and includes muscles that cannot be controlled. These muscles keep our hearts beating or move food through the digestive system. We don't think about these actions. They are automatic. There are three kinds of muscles found in the human being. Skeletal muscles are voluntary muscles attached to the bones and capable of permitting body movement. Skeletal muscles are also referred to as striated or banded muscles. Notice the bands on these muscles as viewed under a microscope. Smooth muscles are involuntary and are found inside most body organs, such as the stomach, intestines, and blood vessels. They are called smooth muscles because they have no bands like the striated muscles. The third kind of muscle is heart muscle. It is what the heart is made of, and it is the hardest working muscle in the body. It never rests and beats between 2 and 3 billion times in a person's lifetime. It is an involuntary muscle. The skeletal muscles are the ones that give our bodies movement. For them to perform a movement, they actually work in pairs. For instance, if you were to bend your arm at the elbow, the following sequence of events would take place. The biceps contracts and bulges, and at the same time the triceps relaxes. You can see the bulge in your arm as the biceps contract. To lower the arm to the original position, the muscles work in reverse of what was just described. The biceps relax while the triceps contract. Voluntary muscles receive the signal to contract or relax from the brain. People make the decision to make movements, and the signals are sent from the brain down through the spinal column and to the appropriate muscles to carry out the tasks. When a muscle receives the message to contract or relax, it does so completely. This means that there is no such thing as a partial contraction. What determines the strength or weakness of muscle contractions is the number of muscle fibers involved. To lift a heavy object, the brain sends contraction and relaxation messages to many muscle fibers. The same effort wouldn't be required when lifting something that is much lighter.